In this video, I'm gonna show you a YouTube channel which is literally making $46,000 a month. And what's amazing about its YouTube channel is that each and every video of this YouTube channel is only getting less than 100 views. How this YouTube channel is making a lot of money with less than 100 views on each and every video. Let's check it out. I am in a incognito mode and I'm just writing here YouTube. Yes, and here I'm just writing his channel name, that is the Trevor Nays. Yes, this YouTube channel Trevor Nays, and you can just see he has literally 340,000 subscribers on his channel, and he has uploaded 6,000 videos on his YouTube channel. What I'm going to show you here is that his videos, he has uploaded all of these videos a day ago, 1 day ago. He has uploaded all of these videos, and what's amazing, what I'm going to show you here is that his videos are only getting less than 100 views. Like you can see here, he's getting 8 views, 14 views, 12 views, 10 views, and all of his videos, if I scroll down more here, then in this video he's getting 210 views. Only few of his videos are only getting viral. Like you can see, this video he has made, how to send DMs on Twitter. This video got the 3,000 views. This was a bit more, you can say, getting more views, but almost 90% of his videos are just getting less than 100 views or maybe 1,000 views. What's amazing about his YouTube channel is that he is making a searchable content. All of his videos are based on searchable content. So what is a searchable content? Searchable content is any content that we usually search on Google or YouTube, like any kind of tutorial. It could be any kind of problem that we face on our day-to-day life. Like most of the people don't know how to copy a link on Instagram, how to copy an Instagram post link, how to copy Instagram comments. This guy is solving all of the possible problems that a common man may face. That's why his videos are getting so much views. And another thing that I have noticed, that he is uploading his videos in a bulk. So if I count his videos that he has posted a day ago, they are total 16 videos. Total 16 videos he has posted a day ago. He is making videos in a bulk. He is literally uploading 8 to 10 videos per day on an average. This is amazing about his channel. Let's check out how much this channel is making with less than 100 views on each and every video. I'm just heading towards a site named as Social Blade. This is a website called Social Blade, and through this website we can see any analytics of literally any YouTube channel. I'm here and I will copy his handle and I'm gonna paste it, and let's see. Here's his channel. All of his analytics are here. He's got 340,000 subscribers. His video views, channel type is a tech channel, and what I'm gonna show you here is that he's getting so much views. And what I'm gonna show you, another thing here, is that he is getting subscribers. He's getting 1,000 subscribers in a day. And this subscriber, in the last 30 days he got 18,000 subscribers. With this type of viewership, we can't imagine how he is getting so much subscribers in a day. Like most of the new YouTube channels who are getting 200 to 300 video views, they are not even getting so much subscribers in a single day. But this YouTube channel is just amazing. And how much he is getting a lot of views. If I tell you that is getting the monthly gain views. His graph is growing, his subscriber count is growing. And the last thing that I want to tell you is that views, he's getting around 11 million views in the last 30 days. So how he's getting such a large number? Like, if we see the overview of his channel, then we can't even imagine that he is getting such a large number of viewership on his channel. So he's getting the 11 million views in the last 30 days, and with these 11 million views, he is literally earning $46,000 a month. This is the maximum limit, and this is the range that is defined by the Social Blade. It is not accurate, I must say. It is not accurate, but most probably this channel earnings is in between this range. So this range is defined by the Social Blade depending on the CPM, that is the 0.25 to $4. But on some YouTube channels they are getting more than $4 CPM. So this earning is not accurate, I must say, but it is estimated earning, we can say. So if he's just making the $46,000 or maybe minimum $3,000, but what I'm going to try to tell you is that getting so much views and making the so much revenue with this type of viewership is just amazing. This channel is literally based on YouTube search automation. So what is the YouTube search automation? YouTube search automation is basically the type of videos that people usually search, right? So his channel is totally based on the YouTube search automation. So that's why he's getting so much views, and with those viewership he's getting the subscribers on that. So this is the overview of this channel. I hope you learned something new about his channel, and I hope you have gained some new insight of the YouTube. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel.